If you've always wanted to start investing in the stock market but really don't know how to get started, either to register for an account or choosing the right broker and all the other nitty-gritty processes involved, well then, this video is for you. It really can't get any simpler than this, with just 2 steps. For starters, you'll need to know what Bursa Malaysia is. Bursa Malaysia is the frontline regulator of the Malaysian capital market and has the duty to maintain a fair and orderly market in the securities that are traded through its facilities. Now, that can be too much to digest, especially after a heavy meal that you may or may not have had. In other words, Bursa is the regulatory body that oversees the day-to-day trading and ensures compliance within its rules. That helps protect the interest of investors like you or me or Warren Buffett or even Joe Low. So all trades and investors in the Malaysian market must go through Bursa, which brings us up to step 1, registration. To register with Bursa Malaysia, you can either fill up a form manually from their website if you really just hate technology, or you can do the millennial thing. Download and install the Bursa Anywhere app on your smartphone. Register with your NRIC for Malaysians and agree to the terms and conditions while pretending that you've read it. Then, fill in your details like date of birth, gender, email address, and handphone number. You'll be sent a one-time password to your registered email address. Key in the one-time password and then you can create a username and password for your Bursa account. You'll have to set some security questions and answers, which you'll most likely forget but will have to anyways. Was it all caps lock or lower cases? And now you're done with the Bursa account registration. You're halfway through. Have a break, have a Kit Kat, stand up, sit down, and now we're back to step 2. Register a CDS account. A CDS account, known as the Central Depository System, is a system where all information about your trades are stored in. That way, you can track the stocks you own, the number of units you have, your average buying price, and all that. Think of it like a personal Facebook page, but instead of showing your vain posts, it just stores your trading activity and updated portfolio. So now you'll have to fill up more personal particulars, just because you have to, including your address, which should match your NRIC address. Unless of course you live somewhere over the rainbow, then you can just type that in. But really make sure your typed address matches your NRIC address. Enter your bank account number, which will be the registered account to receive your dividend payouts. Then you'll be prompted to upload 2 documents, the front and back of your IC and a bank statement of the account number you just provided. Next, you'll have to choose your preferred brokerage firm. There's at least 15 options for you to select from. If you have a Maybank or CIMB savings account, you can just select those brokerage options to keep it simple. Oh, and before that, a brokerage firm acts as a platform for you to carry out your trades, and they are all regulated by Bursa. The difference between each broker can be in terms of minimum brokerage fee and the trading platform or the app itself. Some platforms can be less interactive, while others are just more user-friendly. Most brokerage minimum fees are similar in the range of 8 to 10 Malaysian ringgit, so you can choose anyone that suits you. If you're having a difficult time choosing, like most women do shopping for shoes, then this website will help you decide, having a full list of broker comparison. Now that you've selected your preferred broker, the last step is to pay the RM10 registration fee via FPX, as nothing comes free of charge, and complete your registration. All you need to do now is wait for the brokerage firm to send you a confirmation email, and you'll be able to start buying your first stock and kickstart your journey towards an even more stressful life, but a fruitful one for sure. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome content.